Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a consistent wake time you can maintain every day. This anchors your circadian rhythm. Once chosen, set an alarm and plan 20-30 minutes of bright light exposure within the first hour to shift your internal clock. Also adjust immediate behavior. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. and stop heavy meals 2-3 hours before bed, because digestion and stimulants delay sleep onset. Start tonight by moving your bedtime in 15-30-minute steps toward the target. Once your wake time is fixed, the practical middle is advancing sleep progressively. You shift bedtime earlier by 15-30 minutes every 2-3 nights while keeping wake time constant. This avoids sleep debt rebound. Make a reliable wind-down routine. Dim lights, stop screens 60-90 minutes before bed, and perform calming activities like reading or stretching. Implement mild daytime exercise earlier to boost sleep pressure, but avoid intense workouts in the evening. Because to complete the process, lock in your schedule by waking the same time 7 days a week. Repeat exposure to morning light and keep wind-down rituals. If you struggle to fall asleep, cut evening light further, avoid long naps, and evaluate stress, alcohol, or medication effects because these commonly block progress. Give yourself 2 to 4 weeks for stable change. If progress stalls, adjust bedtime in another 15-30-minute increment and track results so you can troubleshoot with data.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.